Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back at it with another buying $1 of Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 1,237 in a row. Here we are on Cash App. This is the app that we use. It's super easy. If you want to learn more about this app, just check out the other videos on my channel. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments. You can sign up with the link in the description and get $5 for free. Just go ahead and hop over to the Bitcoin section. Bitcoin price currently $20,994. Up 2% today, up 1.6% on the past week, down 29% over the past month, so a pretty harsh dip here near the beginning of June, and down 37% over the past 365 days. I have $2,040 in my balance. Let's go ahead and scroll down here. Bitcoin owned 0.09725,637, slowly working our way to 0.1 Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and tap buy. Tap $1, tap next, scan my face. It's going to give us our order details here and tap confirm. Just like that, I've purchased $1 of Bitcoin. You can scroll down here, check my new balance, and it is 0.09730,266. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $2,040 divided by 1,237 days equals a 1.64x on my investment. Still up a lot, definitely down a lot from the all-time highs, but it's okay. We're still doing well with the dollar cost average method. Just gonna continue on, especially during these low points here. This is a very good time to be dollar cost averaging, in my opinion. Also go ahead and do the gain on this. $2,040 minus 1,237 days equals an $803 gain. So we're still up a lot, down a lot from when we were up like $4,000 or whatever it was, but that's okay. We know Bitcoin is volatile. We know it goes up and down. We know it's unpredictable. So that's why I'm dollar cost averaging. In the long run, I believe this is a very strong asset to hold. Let's just talk about a couple quick things on the chart. We did break below the 200-week moving average, which has been like the ultimate buy. We're kind of under it now, so we'll see if we can get above that. If not, probably going to come down to some of these lower levels, maybe like this 14K right here. But I think if we do bounce around in this zone, like that's definitely a great period to be accumulating. And if there's any severe dips down here, I think those are going to get bought up very fast. And we might not even hang around down here under this 200-week moving average. We could get right back up. If we take a look at the daily, these moving averages are way up here. So we could just see a bounce like straight up to come back up to these moving averages and test those. I would just think that we kind of get trapped under those a little bit and just end up in this zone for a while. I don't know if that's below 20K or above 20K, but I don't know. That's kind of what I would expect. I don't expect us to just shoot straight up to all-time highs again. But we'll see. Anything could happen. Just got to have a plan and stick to it. Real quick, we'll take a look at the Synchronies. I think they're getting very close to launching the marketplace. You can see the floor price is now 1 ETH. It's been trading around 1 ETH, so that's pretty strong. I actually did pick one up last night, a rare one, rank 50. So happy with that. And yeah, if you aren't familiar with these, check out the other videos on my channel. But basically, if you own one of these, you're part of the DAO and you have ownership and say in the marketplace and the other future DeFi and NFT products that the Synchronies build. They've been developing in the space for a couple years now, 2-3 years I think, and continue to make great products. So that's what I like to see. Not the most flashy or the most hype, but definitely consistently here and building and participating in the space. So 1 ETH for a Synchrony, that's around $1,000 price point. That's cheap in my opinion. That's a cheap investment into something of this scale and this potential. That's my thoughts on it. Do your own research. And that'll do it for today's video. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.